Hey everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves. If you're new here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. So today we are checking out a sleek and a budget-friendly option from Dell, the wireless mouse. Is it worth it? Let's find out. So I'm unboxing this box and giving a full review. So let's unbox. Here it has some quick start guide, and here's a warranty documentation. Here's our mouse. Wow. Along with that has one battery also, you can see. So let's check out. Here's our mouse. Let's talk about its design and build. So the design is simple, minimal and a black finish, subtle with the Dell branding, you can see here, and a compact form factor that feels great in hand. It's lightweight but doesn't feel cheap, ideal for everyday use whether you are working, browsing or studying. Here it has a right button, left button, here is scroll wheel, and it has 1000 dpi for smooth control. On the back side, here's the on off button, and here's the light that indicates it's the mouse is on or off. So let's open this one. You can see here we got our USB receiver, you can see. So it's connected via USB receiver and a single battery. You can see we have to insert a battery here. So let's test this connectivity of this mouse. So let's connect this USB receiver on my PC. Yeah, now I have inserted the battery. Now let's on. This Dell Wireless Mouse connects via 2.4 GHz USB dongle. So this Dell Wireless Mouse connects via dongle, giving you a solid and stable connection. You can see it works very smoothly on surfaces and has a decent responsiveness. So it's perfect for office work and browsing. So it's perfect for office work, web browsing or casual use. So this optical sensor tracks smoothly and you won't notice much lags. So it runs on a single battery. It's pretty impressive for a mouse at this price amount. So the key features are it's affordable, plug and play, and comfortable design and great battery life. But the one thing is that so it is no Bluetooth option, and it's a basic, not ideal for gamers. So it's a Dell wireless mouse, worth it if you need a reliable and everyday task mouse. So this is the absolutely get a best pack. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have used these mouses or if there's another you want to recommend. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.